Okay, welcome back. Once you get that screw in, so I'm just going to rearrange. I've got one extra SATA cable down here, so I'm just going to rearrange it. There's the red one. I'm going to make this the main one, so I know that that's always number one, or zero socket. And again, it would have been easier if I'd done this before I put the graphics card back in. I'm just going to have to live with it. So that third one can come out here. I'm just going to have to live somewhere else. Okay, I have to take the top one out first. Very fiddly. Top one out first. Down the bottom one out. I can go to the side. And then I can put this one out in. Bottom. Please do go in here, I don't want to go in. Please say yes. The wrong kind. Yes, do. Yes. Yeah, good. Got the one back in now. Thread him through. It's getting very busy there now. Maybe I should push him up a bit. Okay. Here, I should just put in the top. Oh, there's one cable though. Using various places. There. Okay. Yeah. Okay, there's only one way to know so I'm really for sure. I can't drag them out now. Okay, big ones in the back. He's in. So that's it. Yes. Goes in the back. Yes, nice. Just slide in on the right. Very fiddly on the wrong. Right, so I'm just putting power into these. I'm actually going to put the wires on them, data wires, because I just want the first hard disk to power up and not anything else. Just want to see where we are. So he's in. Probably we can tuck him away somewhere eventually. Okay, think about that. Which one is this one? So he's on the third ones. You can come out the top as well. So if I have the two from the top ones coming out the top, then I'll know which is which. Because I know then the red one comes from the top and then the black one has to come from the port one. So that will give me an indication. And then the others are actually on the 6, they're on a 3 GB stream rather than the play in, through, push them in, stop them in, and that. So these ready to go there. And I just need the other two clear. It doesn't really matter which ones go, but I'd like to know which is the bottom, which is the top. So okay, into spaghetti junction now. No, bottom. So that's the top one. That one's already there. It's there. There's the side one. There's the bottom. Touching the case because they're short. Okay. So these wires are just not going to be used now, so I'm going to tuck them out the way at the back. Okay. Put that rubber grommet back. It's not happy. Okay. Okay. Right. And slide through there. And this one can slide through there as well. That's all the power cables out of the way, and the ones that I need. So, not to destroy the rubber grommet in the process. These are the back ones now, took out of the way. Inside, and bottom tray. Do the nose right down at the bottom. Space center cable, and there's an CI cable there. No, set it on first. And that P4c cable. So they're all tucked away, out of the way to be used when I need them. So I'm back on the plate. Okay, probably there could be a bit of wiring arrangement there, I think, with these two. Bring them out. Yeah, okay. So I'm not stressing anything else. There we go. Very cute. That's nice. Okay, and then these feet up. I'm going to tuck them away somewhere. I don't know where yet. But they're going to be tucked away. Tied up together and tucked away when I'm finished. So, are we ready? This away. Now you can see I haven't got loads of data ones out, but I'm just making sure they're ready to go, and I need to tally this up as well. It's not, that's a big, see this one I'm worried about now. Let's export that, wire's okay. So you just check the frame. See, oh, we can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, what worries me is this being too close to that. There's it's actually a Molex power cable. And what I'd like to do is fasten it down so you can actually push them out the way there so you can't touch the motherboard, but I think they're okay. And it's plastic, it's not going to push in, and there's space for it to live, so it's not actually going to push against the motherboard. Right, these are the 2 3 gigabytes. It doesn't really matter how they are. That's the other 6, and this is my main one. So all set. So, okay, let's get this here. Kickstand ready. Support. Hopefully it's going to fit and just work from the HDMI port, which you assume I have. HDMI, this one HDMI, keyboard, I think I need to put them into USB back. USB, I'm probably going to go for, let's say USB, yeah, USB, so there's the keyboard, and then a mouse, okay, ready, okay, just the gaming mouse, I might just use a standing mouse, I think, for now. So, I'll be interested to know whether I have to reinstall everything, probably, I'm guessing. I like the fact that it's no longer an i7 processor. And you can go under it here. Can you go with that? Yes. Okay, all is good. So take the wires. They're not hanging about with anything, they're clear, not touching anything, don't want to be touching the case. Yeah. Oh really, that's not fun. Now, go here, go here, mouse. Yeah. Okay, the spaghetti, that's not where the spaghetti will start. Okay, cool. That's out of the way. Okay, ready to go. Wow. Well, probably we should do a test from here. First. Just going to take you off, put it in a better position, I think.